Now we have another method. We want to check using the COUNTIF function. Okay, so since COUNTIF we have already covered, okay, we'll see how it can be used. So we'll say equal to COUNTIF. Okay, so please note that we have to use COUNTIF and COUNTIFs both, right? So as of now, the first one we'll have to use COUNTIF, okay, because it's only one range that we have, one criteria we have. What are the criteria? On this range, we have to select less than 70, okay, and I will get 4, right? But there is one problem here. Okay, what is the problem? I am hard coding this 70. Typically I should not hard code 70. So we have a method, right? We have a method wherein what we do is we say less than, okay, and I want a number to come. So this we use ampersand. This is a concatenation operator. Okay, so when you use and you use 70, okay, if I press enter, you can see what will happen. It will become automatically less than 70, right? So and is a concatenation operator. So as an example, if I do like this, India ampersand is ampersand, okay, let's say great, right? So you can see what will the output will come. India is great, right? So this way you can see I have concatenated India ampersand is ampersand great. These three we have concatenated, right? So here the concatenation is less than with a number 70, right? So we should use not use this, we should use less than ampersand 70, and we press enter, it will work the same way. Now the only issue is that we cannot drag this. By the way, we have to fix this range here, okay, even then we cannot drag it. Okay, why? Okay, one of the reason is this. Okay, when you are dragging it, it is counting less than 80, so it will have, it is actually computing the cumulative frequency. Okay, it is actually computing the cumulative frequency, not the normal frequency. So there are multiple ways you can do. Okay, you can do this minus this, you can get, okay, right? But we will not want to this. We will use COUNTIFs function. So what we'll do is we'll say COUNTIFs. Okay, what are the criteria on this criteria on this range? Sorry, say range. Okay, we will make it this range. Fix it. What is our criteria? It should be greater than 70. Okay, that is first criteria. Then again on this range, the second criteria is that it should be less than equal to, you have to do ampersand 80. Okay, so we have got our work done, right? Sorry, here we had to have less than equal to, right? Okay, so here we have got it. Okay, so greater than equal to 70, that is what it is doing, greater than equal to 70, and this is doing less than equal to 80. And now you can drag this.